The present situation, however, is that an investor slash builder contracts a multi-storied high-riser generally sells the shops and the residential apartments to the public and then disappears. Full stop. The structure so raised and sold is then used, as has been mentioned above, by hundreds of people. Full stop. Any weakness in such a huge structure and any lapse in the structural design or the quality control of the same could endanger not only the lives of the ones using the said building but also of those in the adjoining properties and areas, besides causing threat to said adjoining properties themselves. Full stop. We went through the building regulations framed by the Lahore Development Authority as amended from time to time, which do make some provisions for ensuring the said structural stability of such like buildings and of the quality of construction. Full stop. But during the course of proceedings, we were horrified to notice that the required supervision and the control to be carried out and exercised by the Lahore Development Authority was completely absent, which was a criminal neglect of duties on the part of the concerned officials in the LDA. Full stop. The provisions of Pakistan Environment Protection Act of 1997 demand environment impact assessment of each such project before any plan for the construction of the same could be sanctioned. Full stop. The LDA authorities seem never to have complied with the said provisions. Full stop. Regulations number 66 and 81 of the above mentioned regulations envisage soil investigation of the site where a multi-storied building was to be raised to find out whether the soil could take the load intended to be caused on the same. Full stop. There is no evidence before us that the LDA authority ever demanded any such investigation before sanctioning the building plan of any such high-rise structure. Full stop. The builder of any building comprising 3 stories or more was required to employ a structure engineer to do the structural design for such a building to ensure stability of the same as per regulation number 9, and such structure engineer was not only required to clarify the stability of such a structure but also to personally visit the same at various stages of the construction and to certify that the construction was being raised to his satisfaction and in accordance with the design. Full stop. This was the requirement of regulation 14 of the said regulations. Full stop. As per regulation number 42, any excavation, more than 14 feet deep was required to be inspected by the building engineer. Full stop. It was also required to carry out an inspection whatever there was